Clients are coming to us looking to improve customer experience. Usually that means, how do we engage customers better? Why do they want to do that? They want to retain the ones they have and offer a service that's at least as good as their competitors, if not better. They want to win new customers, and ultimately they want to achieve cost reduction and efficiency. Clients looking to improve customer experience typically do design thinking workshops. They might have teams looking at customer journeys, and that's all good stuff to do. The problem is they tend to focus on front-end issues or even front office issues, forgetting the middle office and the back office. And the danger of that is, no matter how great your customer experience vision is, you won't actually achieve it because your operating models, your legacy systems just aren't ready for it. I think one of the ways Cognizant does this differently is by, right at the onset, when we're doing design thinking, when we're doing customer journey work, is to do that in a multidisciplinary team. What do I mean by that? I mean, have the creatives in there, but also have the product owners from the client side, have SMEs that understand the technology from both Cognizant and from the client, and put together that robust team that really understands the problem and how they could solution it. Working in this way allows us to clearly identify the capabilities we need to achieve the customer visions and the customer journey that come out of design thinking. It allows us to clearly articulate what we have compared to what we need in terms of technology and platforms. And also it allows us to put together a business case, which is what we're going to need to get the investment to do the transformation. We're currently working with a client that came to us with what they thought was a simple customer experience problem. Things weren't working very well on their front end. We conducted a holistic review, and while we agreed that there were problems with the front end, actually they couldn't really be tackled if you didn't address wider issues with the platform. We've put together a roadmap that addresses UI fixes, as well as migrates their platform to cloud services.